the house, everybody.
Woo woo!
Yeah. Say they're at home watching this video and they want to write.
They want to be a writer like you.
What would you give them as advice?
Just do it.
Best advice ever.
There are so many people out there that have a great idea. And they'll say, you know, I've always wanted to write this novel, and yet it never gets done. So really, you just have to sit down and force yourself to get it out. I'm self-published, so I don't have a big publisher backing me, and I had to go out and find my own audience. I have to do all of my own.
That?
You go online and you find where this audience is. Twitter, Facebook, book blogs, websites like Goodreads, where your audience is there, and you have to go out and you have to contact these people and say, this is who I am, my book is out there, check it out.
And no one believes in what you do more than yourself.
Read a ton. The more you read, the better your own writing will be. I read.
What do you read?
I read young adult mostly. I read the same genre I write in, and I probably average 2 to 3 books a week. I have 3 published. There are
several other.
There are lots of other novels that are not gonna be out
and
there.
That's the interesting
so it takes time.
Yeah,
I mean, wasn't it Fleetwood Mac? They had like 30 albums or something before their first.
Their 15th record.
Yeah.
Was their first hit record.
Wow.
15th.
Why aren't I an instant success? Because no one is. You have to work. You have to get a little bit better each time.
We have to realize that we have to develop our talents, our craft, and become good at it, and that takes doing it over and over again until you finally get it on your Kindle. Nothing's easy, everybody, so just get off your butts and do it.
My website is kellyoram.com, so it's just my name, and that will have links to my Twitter, which is I think also just my @KellyOram. Yeah. And then you can like me on Facebook.
I would like you on Facebook and off Facebook.
I would love it when I liked me on Facebook, and I thought that was weird.
Read
your books and go write a book.
Yeah, read, write, and anything you want to do, your dream,
you can
be creative. You just gotta start.
Victory
do it. You just gotta make it happen.
That's right, just do it.
My little guy is crying in the background.
But he's so cute.
And he's with his daddy, so he's okay. Just to let all the viewers know, he's alright. But we're gonna just keep chatting, and I'm just gonna keep going with it.
3 weeks ago, she's Superwoman.
She's fabulous.